वजीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह इस वक्त सूबाई बजट पेश कर रहे हैं, आपको लिए चले गए।
और ये 2018 से आज जो असेंबली है, इन सबका शुक्रगुजार हूं कि उन्होंने ये शर्फ मुझे बख्शा है लीडर ऑफ द हाउस चुन के और फाइनेंस मिनिस्टर होते हुए कि मैं ये बजट पेश कर रहा हूं। मैडम स्पीकर, I, with greatest humility, present the budget for 2022-23 of the Government of Sindh, amounting to rupees 1,713,583,744,000 यानी 1,714 अरब रुपए का तकरीबन तखमीना है, with no new taxes। और इनफैक्ट हमने टैक्सेस में जो रिडक्शन की मैं अभी बताऊंगा उनके बारे में मैं ये बजट आज पेश कर रहा हूं। जैसे मैंने कहा, दिस ओकेजन फिल्स मी विद प्राइड। ये challenges to us to face the stark reality of economic uncertainty staring at us. This is the fourth budget of the current term of the Pakistan People's Party government in Sindh, which is reflected of ensuing economic struggle in wake of a political situation at national level in the last few years. Madam Speaker, this past year witnessed extraordinary changes both nationally and internationally with direct bearing on the common man. Despite that, Government of Sindh vows to leave no stone unturned to ensure economic and political stability in the province, contributing its shares in the common national effort which is in line with the values of the vision and leadership of Pakistan People's Party. Madam Speaker, I pray to Almighty Allah that our land, our beloved country and democracy be protected from dangers and challenges that it is facing. May democratic forces always rise and shine in this country. May Almighty Allah bestow us with courage and capability to serve the people of our motherland, Sindh, on the vision and principles set forth by our founding father, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, Quaid-e-Awam Shaheed Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, and Quaid-e-Jamhuriyat. Madam Speaker, I must thank the Prime Minister of Pakistan, Mir Mohammad Nawaz Sharif, his team, the members of the coalition government and the federal government, Maulana Fazlur Rahman, Khalid Maqbool Siddiqui Sahab, Akhtar Bengal Sahab,
in the house, please.
मैं ये सुन की बातें एक्चुअली मैं सिर्फ एडजस्ट कर रहा हूँ कि आगे ये बजट सेशन कैसे चलेगा वो पता चल जाएगा मुझसे। मैंने शहबाज शरीफ कहा था। अच्छा जी, I would say that it's arriving to see a glimmer of hope after 3.5 years in which Sindh was subjected to neglect and disregard by the federal government for reasons best known to the rulers in Islamabad. We were not only subjected to unfair treatment when it came to privileges but also received financial reprimand whenever it came to benefits to the people of Sindh. I will shed more light on how federal government deprived the people of Sindh from development on one side and also managed to restrain our efforts to provide them the needed services by holding back our rightful share and received at the 7th NFC award. Despite the heartburning, we continue to stand by our commitment to our people for giving them as much relief as possible. Hence, we are taking several steps to pass on the benefits to the common man. We feel it high time that we all join hands, setting aside all differences and work for the progress and prosperity of the country. In this backdrop, I would like to quote the encouraging words of the father of the nation, Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah, reposing trust in the people of this great nation. And I quote, I have no doubt in my mind about the bright future that awaits Pakistan when its vast resources of men and material are fully mobilized. The road that we have to travel may be somewhat uphill, but with courage and determination, we mean to achieve our objective, which is to build up and construct a strong and prosperous Pakistan. Pakistan People's Party has always been a party of the people, for the people, by the people. We have contributed more sacrifices to the cause of democracy than any other political party. We vow to uphold democratic norms in its true spirit. The policy of our leaders always centered on the idea of welfare and well-being of the common man. They strove relentlessly to achieve these goals. Now, under the dynamic leadership of Pakistan People's Party Chairman Bilawal Bhutto Zardari and President Asif Ali Zardari, the Pakistan People's Party and its government continues to work tirelessly for the uplift of the people. The effort to prepare the budget 2022-23 is in line with the collective vision of our leaders, and I feel honored to present budget for the financial year 2022-23. Madam Speaker, मैं अगले बजट के नंबर्स देने से पहले थोड़ा सा आपको बताऊंगा हमारी जो रिलीफ हम दे रहे हैं अगले साल के बजट में, ताकि वो सामने आ जाए, और उसके बाद आगे थोड़े पिछले 3.5 साल, पौने 4 साल की कहानी भी बताऊंगा। मुझे उम्मीद है कि तहम्मुल से सुनेंगे और पता चलेगा कि क्या किया है इन्होंने पिछले 3.5-4 साल में। मैं सब बताऊंगा। मैं सबसे पहले जो अगले साल मैं मैडम स्पीकर जो पढ़ रहा हूं वो मैं अपने बताऊंगा। मैडम स्पीकर, we are sensitive to hardship being faced by the common man, especially farmers, due to recent water crisis and increase in price of essential commodities. In order to provide relief at the grassroots level, we have designed special programs in this budget to support a hard-hit social and agricultural sector. As part of post-COVID-19 recovery process, Government of Sindh has developed a two-pronged development strategy focusing on one hand on low-income group under social sector program, on the other hand on infrastructure development in the entire province. For the next financial year, we are targeting specific sectors including but not limited to health, law and order, infrastructure development and revamping and rehabilitation of the irrigation and drainage system of Sindh, with an objective to cope with the fast changing climatic condition in the agricultural sector. The foremost priority, however, is to provide relief to the public. Major relief measures taken up by the government for the next financial year are as follows. Madam Speaker, for the second consecutive year, we are not proposing any new taxes. As I said, not only are we not providing any new taxes, we are reducing taxes and we are doing away with some taxes. और उसके बारे में मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि अगले वाली साल में हमारी प्रपोजल है कि कॉटन फीस, प्रोफेशनल टैक्स और एंटरटेनमेंट ड्यूटी अगले साल के लिए खत्म की जाए। ये टैक्सेस खत्म कर दिए जाएंगे। इसके अलावा इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट सेस फॉर एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड यूनिट्स, ये इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट सेस जो भी एक्सपोर्ट ओरिएंटेड यूनिट्स हैं उनके लिए हम अगले साल के लिए खत्म कर रहे हैं। हम एक पुअर रिलीफ पैकेज जिसकी टोटल कॉस्ट 26.85 बिलियन वो बजट में रख रहे हैं और उसकी डिटेल्स में आगे आपको जाके दूंगा। To address issue of food insecurity and access of common man to food, Government of Sindh has earmarked 23.324 billion for wheat subsidy in the next financial year 2022-23. In order to provide relief to farmers, Sindh is offering the highest support price in comparison to the rest of the provinces, and the support price this year was 2,200 per 40 kilograms of wheat. Besides this, subsidy on seed, fertilizer, pesticide has been provided to the tune of rupees 2.552 billion in current financial year, and a provision of rupees 3 billion has been kept for the next financial year 2022-23. Madam Speaker, मैं जैसे मैंने कहा बजट आने से पहले मैं रिलीफ की बात कर रहा हूं। हमने एडहॉक रिलीफ अलाउंस 2016 में गवर्नमेंट एम्प्लॉयज की और पेंशन की बात कर रहा हूं। 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 और 2021 में एडमिसिबल टू एम्प्लॉइज ऑफ फेडरल गवर्नमेंट जो भी हमने दिए थे वो हम मर्ज कर रहे हैं बेसिक पे स्केल 2022 में। हम सिविल सर्वेंट्स गवर्नमेंट ऑफ सिंध के लिए ad hoc relief allowance at the rate of 15% of basic pay scale to government of Sindh employees is being proposed. मैं बताना चाहता हूं, मैं थोड़ा सा बताना चाहता हूं।
आप क्यों खड़े हो गए? आप बैठ जाएं। आप तशरीफ रखिए, आप तशरीफ रखिए। अभी डिस्टर्ब नहीं करें, अभी ये शुरू उठाएं, डिस्टर्ब नहीं करें आप
कंटिन्यू टू स्पीक बिकॉज मुझे पता था इन्होंने ये करना है, कोई ना कोई बहाना बना के ये करना है। इनकी तो पूरे लोग ही छोड़ के चले गए, इनको क्या पता है। अभी कुछ दिनों में बच्चे कुछ है समेत इनके वो भी इधर ही आके बैठेंगे हमारे साथ, देख लीजिएगा जो इनकी साजिशें चल रही हैं। मैडम मैं बताना चाहता हूं कि इस वक्त जो पेज है सुबह सिंध की वो बाकी
वज़ीर आला सिंध मुराद अली शाह सूबाई बजट पेश कर रहे हैं। इस वक्त आपने सिंध असेंबली से कुछ मनाजिर देखे, बजट के हवाले से आगे चलकर आपको मजीद भी बता